and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today we're in the kitchen cooking something delicious, and I've got a great tip on what I'm cooking, which is short ribs. So you stay tuned and I'll get everything ready and I'll be back. And in the meantime, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button and I'll be back. So after you've seasoned and floured your short ribs, you're going to brown them on all sides in some hot oil. Make sure you get all sides. Then remove them from the pan. Look at all that goodness inside. We're going to add some onions to that and saute them. Then we're going to add some flour because we're going to make our gravy. So right now we're just adding our flour and onions to the oil that was in there. Next we're going to put some beef broth in there and stir it all up just to make some nice good gravy. Then we're going to season it with the exact same things that we seasoned our meat with, which was basically black pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And we're just going to let that sit in there for a few minutes. Now, here comes my tip. I'm only going to let it sit for 5 minutes, but after 5 minutes, I'm going to take it out and put it into a slow cooker. That's what's going to cause it to be so tender. I'm going to let that cook for almost 5 hours, and you're going to have something so good and tender you won't believe it. The slow cooker will make the meat tender, and it will thicken up that gravy as well. Enjoy.